In this video, I am going to show you Wi-Fi connected but no internet on Android. Fix it fast. You can follow this guide with easily fix them. Let's jump right in. First of all, restart your phone. To do that, long press the power and volume down button on your phone and wait a few seconds. From the pop-up menu is appear, simply click on the restart option, then tap on restart again and wait to complete the restart process. After the restart is complete, your phone is back on. This time you can go to settings. After that, scroll down all the way to the very bottom, located the general management option, click on them. Here you can scroll again, then go to reset button. Scroll down again, you can see the reset section under various options. Look for the reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings option, tap on it. At the very bottom, located the reset settings button, click on it. And right now you have successfully reset your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth data. After it done, back to the main settings your phone, then located the software update option, click on them and make sure to your phone is running on the latest One UI or Android version. After you check, back to the main settings page again, scroll all the way to the very top, go to connection, then open Wi-Fi, find your internet API name there, simply tap on it, then enter your password and reconnect it. After you reconnect your Wi-Fi, you are fixed them. To check if this process work or not, you simply back to your home screen, such as open YouTube, and you can check. Right now my phone is work. That's it. Hopefully this guide will help you. Please like this video. Also subscribe to my channel, support them.